Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Except reviews is now displayed on your screen, which will address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding, and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various returns and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are interested in booking a room in this hotel with people as well, then we will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.